So you can use this salt for back to sender. You need a cooking salt. Buy it as much as you can. Then you put this salt at the corner of your room around 1 a.m. in the midnight. Put this salt and you spread it on the corner of your room. You step on it. You remove your clothes before you step on it. You now say whatever thing you want. Back to sender intention that anyone that plays curse on you, if you know the person's name, mention the person's name. You repeat that process for complete 3 days. After 3 days, the 4 days, pack all the salt and you flush it in your toilet. By the grace of Almighty God, you will surely share me a good testimony.